What is good, YouTube? What is going on? Up next, family. Danny here, back with the future of payments, a seamless, secure, and instant payment platform with a beautiful app. We've downloaded the app. I'm going to jump into it and show you guys how you can use the Upay app in 2025. Let's go. Boom, here we are on Upay, and you guys can see right here, this is the absolute future of how we deal with payments in our day-to-day. I'll link the app down below for you guys to check it out, but it has been utilized everywhere. You guys can actually get the Upay card as well and use the card to boom, spend right there. Over 20,000 cards have been issued in 186 countries around the world. There's 50 million plus merchants that actually accept this card, as far as Amazon, Shopee, eBay, GPay, Apple Pay, PayPal, you name it, Walmart, Alipay. All these guys are accepting this payment, and you can actually start getting involved with these seamless transactions anytime, anywhere with this beautiful Upay card. Now, with the Upay card, it allows you guys to basically have full control over your financial freedom. You've got the credit/debit card, and it is designed for the modern world. You can spend your digital assets, and it is super important because majority of times right now you see a lot of guys that are invested in cryptocurrencies that hold a large crypto portfolio and are actually unable to turn their crypto into fiat, wherever their fiat is, whether it's USD, whether it's euros or Canadian dollars or Australian dollars. They have difficulty actually turning their cryptos into fiat, or there's going to be a lot of different obligations that make it harder for them to turn it into fiat and actually spend it. But this actually allows you to, Upay allows you to directly spend your crypto assets in fiat. Basically, you can go into a store, and whether you're holding Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT, whatever it is, boom, you tap, and there you go. You are immediately spending crypto to fiat, whatever you're spending it on, anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of having to actually convert that currency into fiat. So whether you're shopping online, or whether you're shopping at your favorite store, or you're traveling around the world and you're going to a restaurant, or you're going into a little magazine shop, Upay actually lets you guys spend crypto just like it's cash. So you have full control and full access to your crypto at all times. You've got 20,000 plus number of cards issued around the world right now, 300 million plus total spending amount, which is absolutely insane. 50K plus users actually trust this platform and have used it, and 55 million plus supported merchants all around the world. And there's so many different reasons. I'm going to show you guys the Upay app right after we check out the platform a little bit. And I'm going to show you guys how you can set up an account. It's a very simple few-step method for you guys to get started. It takes a few minutes. You set up an account with an email and password, and then boom, you are in. You got instant crypto to fiat conversion, so you can basically top up your digital assets to the card and start spending right away, spending credit at the preferred rate. All you do is top it up with some crypto. You got global coverage for your utmost convenience, where you can actually use the Upay card at millions of merchants, millions of ATMs globally, just like any other credit card or debit card. You've got an absolute top tier security system where you're protected by that top tier security features, such as, all sorts of security measures that they have in place to safeguard your funds. And you can track and manage your funds effortlessly with a very user-friendly app to monitor your spending, your assets, and actually convert those assets on the go. You've got no transaction fees and 2% ATM withdrawal fee, which is absolutely preferred when it comes to a card of this magnitude, especially if you're spending all around the world. No transaction fees helps you guys a lot when it comes to saving that money on top of what you're spending. A one-stop solution, obviously, for seamless global transactions. Top up your wallet, deposit BTC, deposit Ethereum, USDT, Tether, directly into your wallet, and you can start your Upay journey. They've got the wallet, they've got the credit card. Again, the Upay credit card allows you guys to use your assets, your crypto assets, as collateral to obtain a spending limit and instant spending online or offline. So you can actually get yourselves a certain amount of credit based on the assets that you're using as collateral. You've got full spending tracking, you've got your data privacy being protected, and you've got low transaction fees. And also, if you need cash at any time, anywhere in the world, you have immediate withdrawals at domestic or overseas ATMs, where you can actually access your crypto directly through ATMs to pull out cash. And you can add the wallet to your mobile, so you can actually link your card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay. And you guys already know how convenient that is, where you can just go tap on the go with your phone, don't even need your wallet or cards. And you can transfer funds to your family and friends as well. So, you know, if you're sending money abroad, or if you're paying a friend back for some loans or whatever it is, you can instantly transfer those funds from your crypto to the fiat that they are using. They've got massive partnerships in the space right now. We can see right here, SumSub, Ledger, Chain Analysis, Score Chain, Slow Miss, some of the biggest names in the space. Fully KYC, and you have to KYC. Obviously, KYC is important when it comes to a platform of this security. They need to make sure that the users are real and legit. And if you guys need to download the application, you can get it on the Apple App Store or the Android store as well. And there's actually a QR code right here. You guys can actually just scan with your phone and whatever device you're using, and it's going to take you guys to the application download link. Now, let's get into the app right here. I've actually downloaded the app for you guys, so we're going to switch over to my phone screen, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up an account from start to finish. So let's start right here. I'm going to pull out my phone. We've got the app right here, and boom, I pop this up right here. All you're going to have to do is to create a Upay account is you actually set up an email, check your email, set a password. Make sure you guys are setting up a strong password. So there it is, and boom, there we are. We are now in to our dashboard, and if you guys can see, the dashboard is very clean. Actually, first of all, you can see your deposit, withdrawal, you can see your statements, you can scan to make payments, you have all your popular financial solutions. If you go over to your card, you can see right here, you can actually apply for the card. All you have to do is a quick KYC, and here it is, online, offline payments. Then you have a list of your cards, so you can actually go through all the different cards you have. Then you have the finance tab. Okay, this is where you can exchange. You see the different financial products. You have your, obviously, your invite code as well. So if you guys want to make some extra gains on the side as well, and some passive income, basically, you can share this with your code. It's going to give you guys some points. It's going to give you guys some extra free goodies and some cash back. But say you want to apply, you do a basic verification KYC right here. It is super simple. Might have to just send in some documentation, and it's going to get you guys started and set up. You have your transaction record as well that shows all your spending, keeps track of your finances, and you have a 50% referral commission actually, plus a 0.36% monthly interest on deposits, which is absolutely massive. And why you guys want to actually do this KYC, this is actually your user center, so you can see your full user interactions. And why you want to actually KYC here, and why it's so important to do the KYC, is because one, it's going to give you guys compatibility with platforms like Apple Pay, Google Pay. It's going to work across platforms, online and offline. It's going to give you guys, it's going to be accepted by major international platforms. So it is essential to actually do the KYC and get that card, and having that dedicated card number, you know, separate account for secure spending, and spending is deducted directly from your wallet balance. And you can actually earn up to 4% on flexible savings, which is really incredible as well. So definitely do this basic verification so you guys can actually get that first card. But you guys, now just a couple of other things that I want to show you guys on the Upay platform is obviously the transactions and the card. So you are able to fully use their card, actually their Upay card. I want to pull out the Upay app here and go through my transactions, and as you guys can see right here, if I go and select my card, you guys are going to be able to see that under my card, there's recent records, obviously the consumption, the different settlements, whether there's a refund, so on and so forth, and the total consumption and the total TX IDs of the 5 transactions is there as well. Now, if I go over to transaction details, for example, you can see 128 USDT here. The exchange rate is there. The fee is 0 USDT. The merchant you can see as well. The consumption and all of that information is available for you. If I switch over into another transaction, for example, right here, you guys can see the transaction details as $2.75. Again, you can see the total exchange rate, you can see the merchant, you can see exactly what you have done with your crypto and with your funds and through the card on Upay. Again, if we scroll through and I go through another transaction, you can see right here 63 USDT. You guys can see that this one went to ChatGPT, straight to the man himself, ChatGPT. And as you guys can see fully, again, the exchange rate, USDT to USD, 1-for-1, the consumption, the card number, the TXN time as well. So you can see the transaction ID time and the settlement time and the order number as well. So everything is there for you to fully see. And if you guys are going to get a full grasp of all your transactions, again, you go over to my cards, and that's where you're going to see your full transaction list, including all the records and all the spendings on that card. Now, if you guys want to stay up to date with what these guys are doing in this space, they do have socials as well. X is going to be a very popular one. They got over 23,000 followers on their X. A seamless platform. Upay 2.0 is now actually live. New app, new features, smoother experience. And that's the app that I'm going to link in the description for you guys to actually check out. Again, the Upay card, all the information, all the updates that they do have on the platform is actually posted on their X. So it's a great place for you guys to actually follow them. And as you guys can see, they do all sorts of lives. They're doing spaces where they're talking about the physical crypto card. So it's a great place for you guys to actually be a part of their community. They also do AMA giveaways. The giveaway winners are right there. They post all sorts of partnerships out there. They're very, very engaged and active with their community. So it's a great place for you guys to actually check them out. They do have a Telegram community as well. Over 6,400 members in the Telegram, 68 online right now. And everything that you guys can do right now can be done as far as your financial services with Upay. The website can be seen in English and in a bunch of different languages as well. They do have the light mode and dark mode for whatever features you guys like. You can convert. You've got your markets. You guys can actually instantly convert right here from USDT to BTC. So they've got basically a DEX as well where you can do market price conversions, or you can do limit price orders. They've got a full market section. It's like an exchange. So, you know, you actually have access to a lot more things than just a wallet or a cryptocurrency card. You have a full exchange backing this platform. You also have the crypto loans, which is a one-stop shop for the digital assets that are backed loans, where you can actually unlock your assets potential. So you put up a certain amount of assets and you can actually pull a loan against that. You can actually put in the borrow amount right here, depending on the USDT or whatever it is, and you guys can actually find out exactly how much you can get approved for. They've got an affiliate program as well. Like I said, this is really great because it gives you rebates on every card activation that's on your link. It's going to give you guys 0.6% commission on referred recharges. It's going to give you guys all sorts of different support as well, and you guys can see all the information about their commissions and their diverse rewards there as well. And they've got the white label card issuing service where you can launch your branded card program with instant issuance, open API, and real-time tracking as well, which is another level of being able to utilize this platform. Whether you're a business, whether you're a service, you guys can actually utilize this Upay to be your front end and actually partner with these guys with the full API connectivity, customized card designs, comprehensive management dashboards. That's going to give you guys a lot of time and spending saved by having this already for you guys with that end-to-end technical support, crypto to fiat flexibility, and a secure and compliant platform to just build your business on. So whether you're a merchant, whether you are a customer, whether you're a business, this is definitely a platform that can be suitable for you guys. So check it all out, man. All the links will be down in the description below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, as always, smash 2 thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment down below what you think about the crypto market right now. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Danny's out for now. Peace.